Welcome to Subramani. This small video is triggered by a lot of nomenclature confusion among people. I mean, the words mean different things for different people. So, when a company says this is my sales, or this is my total revenue, or this is my top line, it means the same thing, right? This is the gross revenue that they have received. This is not profit. Many people are confusing the two. Let me just clarify. So if I make a movie spending 150 crores and then you hear that the box office collection was 150 crores, don't think that I have now made money. I am not yet. This sorry, this is the gross level of collection at the box office. Then there will be taxation which will be removed, then the what I have to pay to the theaters, that will be removed, and then I will get the number. So if it is 150 crores of collection, I may get something like 60, 70 crores, 80 crores. So for me to really earn money, it has to do maybe 300, 350 crores. Then my gross revenue, again my gross revenue, which is different from the theater's gross revenue, will be visible on my books. From that I have to deduct the expenses. Then I can say, okay, from this I remove the expenses that I have incurred, which could be paid, what I paid the director, what I paid the, assuming I am the producer or the owner of the movie, then what I pay the director, what I pay the actor, what I pay for the promotion, advertising, etc. I remove all that, and then what is left is net revenue. So first of all, revenue and income are not the same thing, right? Similarly, cost and expenses are not the same thing. You have to incur the costs, then you will have to make the payment, then it becomes an expenditure. So let me just clarify that even better, that you first incur the expenses, you then pay it out, then it becomes an expenditure. So costs and expenses are not always the same. Secondly, the cost can be incurred now and paid later. So that is the cash method of accounting and the accrual method of accounting. So when I incur expenses, I incur it for a period. That is, income is accrued, expenditure is accrued. Then I actually pay out. So the cash flow is something different. So basics, sales, revenue, top line all mean the same thing, but that does not make it profit, right? This is just the top line. I've just got that money. From that I have to reduce the expenses to come to net income. On that net income I pay taxes. What is left after that belongs to me. That is called net profit. Again, net profit could be before taxes or after taxes. NPBT is before taxes, NPAT is after taxes. So the number on which you should concentrate for a company is NPAT. What is it, the gross, what are the expenses, don't really matter as for arriving at the EPS. Don't just get carried away saying, oh, so much. Similarly, words like sales and order. If I am a big infrastructure company, I could get a very big order. I could get a 5,000 crore order to build a bridge, right? It could be a small bridge, big bridge, whatever. Now, that does not mean that that 5,000 crores cash has come to me. No, it just means an order has been placed by a particular government on me. I'm a bridge builder, I'm a construction company, and I may be delivering this bridge over a 3-year period. So technically it is 1,700, 1,700, 1,700. Though it doesn't happen that way. A lot of the money will come upfront as an advance because you have to buy equipment, organize the people, etc. So you will collect an advance. That is true. But this orders and sales are something very different. They are not the same thing. Yes, an order can be converted to sales. In fact, that is the process of doing the business. So when you see an infrastructure company has got 25,000 crores of orders or 50,000 crores of orders, don't get carried away. It just means that they have got that order which has to be done over a period of time, and in a worst case scenario it can be revoked, it can run into trouble because the government changed. All those things can happen. So you should know the difference between order and sales.